Hello and welcome to this tutorial where I'm going to show you how to write a program on your Texas Instruments calculator so that it can do all the work for you and you don't have to memorize any formulas, which will make your life easier because we all know that being in high school is extremely hard and a huge burden. So the first thing we're going to do is push the program button, which is right here in the middle, right there. Push that. It's going to take you into the programming menu. Those are all my programs, which I can execute. But we're going to go over to new because we're creating a new program. And the program that we're going to create is a program that does the compound interest formula for you. So it will ask you what the values are, like the principal amount, the rate, the number of times compounded, and the time, and then it will just pop out the answer, and you won't have to remember the formula. So we're just going to name it C for the sake of time, and enter. And it's going to bring you to this programming screen where you can type in the commands that you want it to execute. So first thing we want it to do is prompt us for the values like P, like the principal, blah, 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 blah. So we're going to hit program again, right here. Let's get that in focus, yeah, right there. Go to I/O and go to prompt. So that'll bring up a prompt and we can, there we go. And we can put in the variables that we want. So first we can do the principal amount, so we'll do a P. There we go. Hit enter, do another prompt. And the next one we'll do is R, which is for rate. So we'll hit alpha again, which is right here, alpha. And then the numbers are, see in there, see the numbers there, so let's see, where's R? R is over here. There's R, hit R. Now you have prompt R, hit enter again. We'll go to program again, do another prompt, and we'll do N, which is the number of times compounded per year, which is, so we'll do alpha N, which is down here. And then we'll do one more prompt for the time. So we'll hit program again, I/O, prompt, and N. So we'll do alpha N, which is, oh wait, I already did that. Oh wait, no, it's time, sorry, it's time. So we'll hit time. So here are, so now what this is going to do is prompt us for the value. So it'll say, it'll be like P question mark equals, and you'll put in the value. And I'll show you that in a second. So now we're going to hit enter, we're going to get a new line, and now we're going to type in the formula, which is A, which is the amount, equals P times 1 plus R over N to the power of N times T. So we're going to type that in. And we have to make sure that we're conscious of the order of operations, so we're going to hit alpha P, which is over here somewhere, P. So that's the first thing, P times, well, parentheses, 1 plus alpha R, where's R, over N, alpha N, to the power of, and we're going to put this in parentheses because this has to be done first, so we get our order of operations right, to the power of N, alpha N times T, which is alpha T, which is around here somewhere, there we go. And there's our formula. And now what we're going to do is we're going to hit this button down here, the STO button, which is going to give us an arrow. And then what that's going to do is that's going to store the value that this comes up with. And we're going to store it as a Y. So we're going to hit alpha Y, which is somewhere over here. It's a Y. So we're going to hit Y. It's going to store that as the Y value. We'll hit enter again to go to a new line. And now we're going to hit program again. Go over to the I/O menu. And now we're going to go to DISP, which stands for display. And then we're going to put Y, so alpha Y. And there's the program. That's the program that we wrote to find this. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go out of here by just do this, get out. We're going to hit the program button again, and here are our programs. So now there's my C program, which I just wrote, and I'll hit enter on it, and it'll do that. I'll hit enter to run the program, and I'll say, what's the principal amount? So let's take out the textbook and do a problem. So let's see. Yeah, that's not going to work, but whatever. Focus back on this. So, let's see. If $12,000 is invested at an annual rate of 10% per year, find the amount of the investment at the end of 3 years if it's compounded semi-annually. So it's going to ask us what the p-value is, which is the principal amount, which in this case is $12,000. I wish I had $12,000. Let's see how it. Focus. There we go. And then it's going to ask us what the R is, which in this case is 10%, but because it's a percent, we're going to do 0.1, because that's 10% in a decimal form. Hit enter again. Now we have the N, and I said compounded semi-annually, so that means 2 times per year, so 2 for that value. Hit enter again, and it's going to tell you the time, which is 3 years. Hit enter on that, and then we'll hit enter, and then there's the answer. $16,081.14 So that is how you write a program on your TI-84 calculator, and as you can see, I mean, you can do this for any formula. You just have to change the prompts and the formula, but it's pretty much the same. Anyway, you do it. So there you go. I hope that helps you out, and goodbye.